Hi everyone! Today we will learn Russian alphabet and how to pronounce all letters correctly. Russian alphabet has 33 letters and it is actually a lot easier to learn than you might think. The great thing about Russian is that almost all words are pronounced the same way as they are written. Also, there are some letters which look like in English and have the same sounds. So, let's start! With each letter I will tell you a word. This word will be in Russian and it will show how this letter is pronounced. First letter is A, and it sounds like A in words. For example, arbuz. Letter B makes sound B in words. For example, banan. V, вишня. G, груша. Д, дом. Е, ель. Ё, ёж. Ж, жираф. З, зонт. И, игла. И краткое, саунд Й. Йогурт. К, кот. Л, лиса. М, мышь. Н, ножницы. Letter O can make sound O when it's stressed and A if it is not stressed. For example, солнце, where letter O is stressed, and окно, where letter O isn't stressed. П, помидор. Р, рыба. С, собака. Т, торт. У, утка. Ф, футбол. Х, хлеб. Ц, цветок. Ч, чашка. Ш, шоколад. Щ, щетка. Твердый знак. This is a hard sign. The hard sign makes the preceding consonant sound hard. For example, объявление. Объявление. Сыр. Мягкий знак. Soft sign. The soft sign makes the preceding consonant sound softer. For example, соль. Экран. Юбка. Яблоко. Now let's repeat all letters. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак, мягкий знак, Ю, Я. Well done! If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Спасибо и до скорой встречи!